Okay, P, R and S are in partnership. P, R and S are in partnership, sharing profits 483818. 483818 means 4:3:1. It is provided in the partnership deed that on the death of any partner, his share of goodwill is to be valued at one half of the net profit credited to his account during the last 4 completed years. R died on 1st January. R died on which date? On 1st January. After how many months? Tell me, children. After 9 months, he died. So we need to calculate profit or loss for 9 months. The firm's profit for the last 4 years are given 1,20,000, 80, 40 and 80. Determine the amount that should be credited to R in respect of his share of goodwill. Okay, so first we will calculate this A point, goodwill of R or R's share in goodwill. Okay, so 4 years are given and profit of these 4 years are given 120, 80, 1,20,000, 80,000, 40,000 and 80,000. Let us do the total. 2 lakh, 3,20,000. Take out average. We divide with 4 year. What will be the average? 80,000. This is the average profit. Okay. And now you can see in the question it is mentioned valued at one half of the net profit credited to his account. So we need the total profit, not average profit. This average profit we use for his share of profit. Okay. So 3,20,000. So in this 3,20,000, what is our share of goodwill? Our share of profit. It is, children, 3 by 8. Multiply by 3 by 8. 1,20,000. Is it clear? So this is 4 years profit of R. But according to question, his goodwill will be one half. One half means 50%. So let's multiply by 1 by 2. It will be 60,000. This is his, means R's share in goodwill. Now who will give this goodwill to R? P and S, because they have not changed their ratio. So P and S will give. P and S will give in 4:1. Is that clear? So divide 60,000 into 4:1. 60,000 divided by 5. 12,000. 12 4 is 48,000. P will give and 12,000 S will give. So we can pass journal entry for R share of goodwill. P's capital account debit. S capital account will be debited. To R's capital account. $60,000 credited, 48,000 debit to P and 12,000 debit to S. Being R's share of goodwill is adjusted in gaining ratio. I hope it is clear.